Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bakar bro. So guys, today my topic is how to upload video on YouTube. Uploading a uploading a video on YouTube is pretty painful. Here are step-by-step guide. Sign up into your YouTube account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. Click on the upload icon. It usually looks like a video camera or a plus sign. You will find it to top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Select your video, drag and drop the video file into the browser's windows on the click. Select files to upload button to choosing the video from your computer. Fill in the details. While the video is uploading, you can add details such as the title, descriptions, tags and category. You can also set the privacy settings, publish, unlisted or private on your video. Choose the thumbnail. YouTube usually gives your three thumbnails options guaranteed from your video, but you can also upload a custom thumbnail. Add additional settings. You might want to set the language, recording date, locations and more under the More Options tab. Set monetization if applicable. You will eligible for monetizations. You can also video for display as this is done under the monetizations tab. Add end screens and cards options. You can add end screens to promote other videos or channels and cards. Interactive elements to your videos. Click publish or save changings. Now you will fill in the necessary details and settings. Click the publish button to make your video live or save changings if you updating and early publish videos. Wait for processing. YouTube will proceed your video. This might take a few minutes to server holds depending on the length and quality of your video. And that's it. Your video should be uploaded and available on YouTube once the processing is incomplete. Upload a video. The YouTube involves several steps. Here are general guide on how to upload video. Sign in to YouTube. Use your Google account to sign in the YouTube. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Click on the upload button. At the top right corner of the YouTube homepage, you will find the create or upload button. Click on it. Select your video file. Drag your video file into the upload windows or click on the select files to upload button to browse and select the video file from your device. Video settings. While your video upload, you can fill in details about the video. Title. Enter a descriptive title for your videos. Descriptions. Add a detailed descriptions on your video. Include relevant keywords for search optimizations. Tags. Add relevant keywords that describe your video. Thumbnail. Choosing a custom thumbnails or use one generated by YouTube. Privacy settings. Set your video as public, private or unlisted. Video visibility and settings. You can choose whether the video will be public, private or unlisted. Public videos can be seen by anyone. Private videos are visible only to people you invite and unlisted videos are disabled only the choose who have the link advanced setting. You set a publish options, upload and wait. Click the publish or upload button to start uploading your video. To time a takes upload will depend on your internet speed and the size of the video file. Processing. Once the video is uploaded, YouTube will process the video during the time, and you can edit additional details like end screens, cards, subtitles, etc. Publish. After processing is complete, you will be able to publish in your video public. Remember, YouTube has specific guidelines and policies regarding content, copyright, and community standards. Ensure your video complies with these guidelines. Avoid any issues with the upload. So guys, today my topic is complete. Allah Hafiz.